lads! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, North Cotabato! Here in Kidapawan City, Luntian Trail Run 2024. Ano sa'yo message mo?
Amping mo din, enjoy mo sa trail. Lindot kayo ang sa Kidapawan.
Yes! Thank you, RD Marvin!
Pwede mo maligo ito or kung sa inyong gusto. Washing area, 10K and 21K.
So, ayan. Meron tayong 10 km category and 21. So, dito tayo sa 21. Try natin, try. try lang, try.
Ilit daw, ilit. Nabiyan ko dala PC, pag-uyot ko.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Vlogging face.
Halag ka din sa video.
Oh, ato na mga pulaubo ko. Halikod ko. Good morning, good morning, good morning. May untag! It's here. It's here. Montapo Peak. There we go. It's G. Markings. Good. RD Marvin. Nice one. First aid station. Water station, I mean. 4 km. Nice one. Let's go. Nice, sir. Ha? Tabi. 10 pa nga to. RD Marvin and team. Kudos. Markings. So good. Eye level. Yes, we are entering sa part ng pag-trip plantingan namin before. Dito pa rin sa Kidapawan. Okay, turn left. Caution. Wow. Markings. Grabe.
Gago na yung prison. This is first aid bomb.
What's up, guys? What happened? Ha? Ha?
Pag-abot na lang, doon ako kaya ginawa na lang. Gago ka. O sa loob eh. Loob na ako.
Yes, good. The markings. And yeah, another. Okay, turn right. Okay, Terence on the move. Yeah. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Okay, morning. Another aid station. Okay, 6.6. Wala dahil. Sir, may buntag sa inyo ka na. Turn left. Trail run gani, oh. Matawag ba nag-trail run kung puro kalsada? Isa sa mga ganahan ako nga ruta. Diri pa dahil sa mong dayo. Sa mong dapit dahil. Markings. Diba? Very good. Okay. Okay, we're here sa Mount Apo National High School, Binhi Tree Park. Abandoned school na siya, no? dahil sa lindol during those days. Okay, paanan na rin ito ng Mount Apo with Motogon and Halo Vloggers. Kung hindi ka naman gaga. Good morning. Let's go. Let's see.
Oh, that's me!
Huh, what happened to you?
Broken my heart!
Oh, what? Hey! Thank you, sir. Good morning. Tag dia. Hey, Dad! Kanina patama, ngayon kaliwa naman tayo, mga liwa. Turn left. Ay! Kinagagag durian part. Mga amigo! Oh, ang prutas na may pintuan, durian! Woohoo! G. Oh, durian oh, kita ka na. Balikan na to na. Vlogging face. So, wala tayong no choice.
Wala eh.
Basa. Okay, the power of Injinji sucks. Tested and proven. No blisters. Injinji sucks. Tested and proven.
You're right. Yan sinusuot ni Courtney.
Courtney Dolotor. Tara, it's G. Butangan ta signal imong kidlat para ganado. Ayan. Trail gani. Durian. City of Fruits in Highland Spring. May muntag koy. Labay rami dire. Vlogging face.
Vlog to vlog.
Vlogging face man ni. Okay. Kaibigan kong matalik. Power, pow, pow, pow. Sandaan. Diyan sa ambulance. From Tourism Office of Kinapawan. Yes sir, mga kaibigan. Okay, naako tayo ambulance dito. Og chicks lagi ang naalagi. Palipong-lipong unta ko sir. Thank you sir. Morning. Vlogging face raman ni. Good morning. Morning.
Pwede na ka malipong.
Thank you. Okay, aid station for 122. Hi Dre. Hi Gore. Hi Red. Hey. Hi, good morning. Oy. Okay, aid station sa Luntian. Okay, naay water, naay Gatorade, naay Cobra, naay foods, naay rice, naay melon, naay lechon. Unya gay kunya. Luntian Kinapawan. Dato. Good. Naka-vlogging face, ano ba mong style? Easy kayo ang trail, pero gwapo kayo, nindot kayo. Dili siya easy bro.
Dili si Day.
Gapo. Good. Thank you, congrats sa inyo. Vlogging face man eh. Vlogging face ba? See that one. Kira mo ma'am. Good morning. Guys, gonna trip downhill. It's like this. This is how we do it. Gonna trip downhill. Wala, trail run manggid ni. Pero lahi man lagi bit-bit eh. Ma'am, isa man na ma'am. Hala ka. Ma'am, isa na ma'am. Wala, di man basta-basta ni nga trail run eh. Hala, good morning mga ma'am. Hala, katawa eh. Ma'am, isa na ma'am. Hala ka. Ganda marang. Grabe nga station eh.
Trail run.
Sulit. Extended ang timpo po. Let's go. Enjoy ma'am. Buyers. Turn right. Whew. Wow. Durian farm. High level. Trail sign. Wow. Super wow. I'm with Kuya Jargon. This is a vlogging face. Turn left. Again, turn right. Masakit ang aking ano ito? Plantar. Kanay lahi por bit ni sir oh. Oh, lahi po do. Extended ang timpo po bay. Turn left. Subukan naman natin mga liwa. Wig!
Going left. Well, 10K going right.
Luntian.
Luntian or Luntian?
Okay, let's go right, upright. Again, good morning. Sa mukha na yung aid station, grabe makasulit. Yati. Uy, ayaw po ninyo pa sobrahi, wala man tayo mabasa ng event, uy. Oy, mga isa may gastiko, be. Brother Louie. Thank you, Col. Sulit. Ha? Ina kay sakit kay kontiil. Grabe. Mga aid station. Goods kayo. Nay lechon, nay fried chicken. Kompleto. Wowix. Okay, turn right again. Tol, muntag. Agi mo sa inyong dapit. Diyan kami, birds. Okay, bump into my brother and batch. Nabvia Mega. Roger Persoliva.
Salamat kayo.
Oh, pulot. Yeah, thank you. Birds, oh. How about Ace? Ma'am. Yeah. Mate. Turn left. Woo! Grabe. Huwag na sa Australia, oh. Ah, thank you! Hihi! Aprilo! Puta, pilang speed na, pilang speed! Pilang speed sa motor! Pilang speed sa motor! Thank you to my page, sir. Yeah!
102 is Carlos Delfino. And 134.
Grabe! Middle, tapos... Wow! Grabe! 950, na middle, na litson, na ikapa nga photographer. Grabe! 950 nga registration, kita ka ni? Nya, maka bad trip nga view. Wow! It's beauty. See that view?
Look at the background.
Podium pose. Sir,
Hey.
what can you say about the Luntian Trail?
Okay, so the Luntian Trail Run is very established, and all the roads are mostly trails, so our body would not be broken or damaged. Also, the foods are really good. Maraming lechon baboy, lechon manok, and eggs. So sulit ang 950 mo if Sir Marvin will make another trail run. Join that run. It's so sulit.
Kabirtigin sa ako, no? Uy! Uy! Sabi ko si Jan Zulo to kayo na ba? Sino tong isa mo? Ha? Nice meeting you guys. Wala, may anang kape oy. Libre na. Unyan ako.
Wow, patay.
Saan na Arabic ka na?
Timor na variety. Pakain dito, pakain dito.
Unyan ako. See that view? Finish line view. Wag gigibuhian ang marang, oh.
But
Naanagin sila, ma'am, oh. Wag gigibuhian ang durian. Pwede naman nila palito na sa baba, oy. Gibit-bit gini nila, oh. Oo. Bata silay! Agay! Ay! Yes, moms!
2000 and our champion, male category. He will receive also 5,000.